What's up, everybody? Larry Porter here, and we are back once again. And if you're serious about becoming a travel counselor, guess what? I got good news for you. So stay tuned. Now, I want to share a couple tips with you guys, okay? When trying to become a travel counselor, good thing you're going to need is knowledge, okay? You're going to need to know where to go and how to book clients, how to get them the best rates. You're going to need a travel website. Yes, you're going to need this. You're going to need a travel website where you can send clients, friends, family, etc., where they can book their own cruises, vacation packages, vice versa, or where you can book it for them, okay? And number two, you're going to need vendor access. You're going to need access to all the top major vendors, because people want travel counseling, but guess what? You also need to have the ability to book travel for them, okay? So position yourself knowledgeable in the industry, and as well as have all the available resources and tools to book for your clients, okay? Because people are going to ask questions, and you need to be very knowledgeable about the industry, as well as have everything you need to book vacation, cruises, whatever, okay, for your clients, okay? So position yourself as the leader, the expert, the brand yourself online as a travel expert. And guys, you can do this very, very easy. Nowadays, we are in the future where the internet is overcrowded with information, okay? You can simply look up information, read ebooks, read training videos about the travel industry, and share the information back in the marketplace, maybe using a social media platform such as YouTube, for example, Facebook. Brand yourself, okay? And once you get started in this industry, all you do is brand yourself and become very knowledgeable, okay? Now, here's what I recommend doing. If you don't know where to go to find valuable information, valuable tools, valuable resources, how to become knowledgeable in the travel industry, partner with a host travel agency, okay? This is what I did, and it really, really has blessed me, because I didn't have any knowledge about the travel industry at all, whatsoever. So me and Yumika, we partner with the host travel agency, and we just really been rocking it out, grinding, and learning everything we can about the travel industry. Do we know everything? No. But we have some knowledge of the travel industry, and we're able to share knowledge back to our marketplace. So keep that in mind going forward. So if you're really serious about becoming a travel counselor, gain knowledge, have tools on standby. So when people ask questions, you know the answers. And when people ask for vacation prices, guess what? You have the tools to do it with. Okay? So I want to put you guys on a presentation. This will point you in the right direction. This is actually the presentation of the host agency that me and Yumika joined. So if you're really serious about becoming a travel counselor and agent and become certified right away, you can do so through this host agency. So you don't have to wait, try to get a certification. You can go ahead and become certified by partnering with this host travel agency. So what you need to do right now is click that link below this video, watch this presentation, learn more information. If you got any questions, comments, whatever, leave the comments below this video, okay? I would love to work with you all, me and Yumika. So hey, feel free, watch the presentation, connect with us on Facebook and all the good stuff. So we'll see you guys on the next video. So watch that video, click that link below, and see you guys on the other side. All right, be blessed and happy marketing. Bye bye.